everyone! Welcome back to English Easily Speak.
Hi, friends. So happy you're here with us.
Today's lesson is fun and personal.
Yes, today we talk about your best friend.
You will learn how to speak about your best friend in English.
Easy words, real sentences, real life.
And remember, speak with us. Don't just listen.
Before we start, please like the video.
And subscribe for more easy English practice.
Ready?
Let's begin. Let's start simple.
Question. Who is your best friend?
My best friend is David. My best friend is Anna. Very easy. Just say the name.
My best friend is?
You can say it now.
My best friend is David.
My best friend is Anna. Good job. You're speaking already. Sophia, how old is your best friend?
My best friend is 29 years old.
Nice. That's a clear answer.
Yes, but we can say more. My best friend is 29 years old. We are almost the same age.
My best friend is 30 years old. He is a little older than me. You see, we add more information.
Yes, not just one sentence. Build a small story.
Sophia, are you and your friend the same age?
Almost. We met when we were young, so we grew up together.
That's nice. That means you have many memories.
Yes, we went to school together. We are the same age. We went to school together. He is older than me. He gives me advice. Same age is very useful.
Also, older than, younger than.
Let me tell a short story.
Yes, stories help you remember.
My best friend is 30 years old. We met in school when we were 10. At that time, we were just kids. We played football every day. Now, we are adults, but we are still close friends.
That's a beautiful story.
Thank you. We met when we were young. Now we are adults. We are still friends.
Discuss. You see the timeline? Past, present.
Very natural speaking.
Let me try my story. My best friend is 29 years old. We met in high school. She was very friendly. I was shy, but she talked to me first. And now we are best friends.
That's a great story.
Thank you. Listen again. She talked to me first. Now we are best friends.
Now it's your turn.
Answer this question. How old is your best friend?
Add more details. Same age, older, younger?
Where did you meet? What happened?
Speak slowly.
Use simple sentences. My best friend is kind.
My best friend is funny.
She is very friendly.
He is very helpful.
Discuss.
These are adjectives.
Kind, funny, friendly, helpful.
Very useful words.
Listen again. She is kind and friendly.
He is funny and helpful.
Good job. Easy start.
Now let's add more information.
Make your answer longer. Listen. She is very kind. She helps me a lot.
He is funny. He always makes me laugh. Discuss. Use always for strong meaning.
Yes, he always helps me. Listen again. She always listens to me.
He always makes me laugh. Now it sounds more natural.
Now let's tell a small story.
Stories help you remember English.
Let me start. My best friend is very kind and patient. One day, I was very sad. I had a bad day. I called her. She listened to me for a long time. She did not rush. She spoke calmly. She helped me feel better.
That's a beautiful story.
Thank you.
Listen.
She listened to me. She helped me feel better.
Listen.
A good friend listens.
Let me try my story. My best friend is very funny. We spend a lot of time together. One day, I was tired and stressed. He told jokes. He made me laugh again and again. After that, I felt happy.
I like that.
He told jokes. He made me laugh.
You see? Personality plus story equals strong English.
Sophia, what does your best friend look like?
She is tall and slim. She has long black hair and a big smile.
Listen.
She has long hair. She has a kind smile.
He is short. He has curly hair. Discuss. We describe face, hair, and height.
Simple and clear.
Story.
My best friend has long hair and bright eyes. When she smiles, everyone feels happy. I remember the first time I saw her. She looked very friendly.
What do you like about your best friend?
I like her kindness. She always helps me. She is kind. She is caring.
He is honest. He is funny. I like my best friend because he understands me. When I feel sad, he talks to me. He makes me feel better. What do you usually do together?
We watch movies and drink coffee. We talk a lot. We go for walks. Every weekend, we meet at a small cafe. We drink coffee and talk for hours. Sometimes we laugh a lot.
How often do you see your best friend?
I see her once a week.
We're busy, but we try to meet often. Even one time a week is special for us. Do you talk every day?
Yes, we talk every day. Even when we don't meet, we send messages. We share small things about our day.
What do you have in common?
We like the same music and food.
We both love simple food. My favorite meal with him is bread and tea. We enjoy simple moments. What is your favorite memory together?
One day, we traveled to a small town. We walked all day and got lost, but we laughed and enjoyed it. That day was very special.
How does your friend help you?
She listens to me and gives advice.
When I have a problem, I call him. He listens carefully. He helps me think clearly. Why is your best friend important to you?
Because she understands me. I can be myself with her. I don't need to pretend. That is very important to me.
Do you have any funny moments?
Yes, many.
One time, we tried to cook. We made a big mistake. The food was very bad, but we laughed a lot. What makes your friendship strong?
Trust and time. We trust each other. We support each other. That makes our friendship strong.
Great job today.
You practiced many questions.
Now it's your turn.
Tell us in the comments, who is your best friend? What do you like about them?
Keep practicing every day.
You are improving step by step.
See you next lesson.
Bye.